Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses model BB0053s in color code 005. The color of the frame is black, and the lenses are gray. And these glasses are an oval shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved in the lens. The temples are black and green, and you'll find the Balenciaga logo in white on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. And these lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white, the serial number of the frame, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code of the frame and the dimensions. 55 is for its lens, 23 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Balenciaga case, with the Balenciaga logo on the case, and also inside of the case, a Balenciaga black cleaning cloth with a Balenciaga logo on the cloth, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.